Okay, this is how you get the goo or slimy stuff in Animal Company from that worm guy. Alright, so let me show you what you gotta do. So, you can get whatever you want. I'm just gonna get this for bar. I wish I had hips, I'm gonna get that. You'll need a bag. So, if you have a bigger one, get that instead. But I don't have a big one, so I'm just gonna use this one. You need a flashlight. Alright, so this is kinda really all kinda neat. If you want something else, you can grab it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna want to go to this cave up here behind this nut thing. So you wanna climb up. So it's in here, and you're gonna go inside, and you just wanna keep on going, follow the path. And so when you get in, I think you take a left. Yep. Watch out for these cuties that scare me. So what you get in, you want to take a right. You're gonna go up. So you want to go up here. This is where you want to go. You want to go through this crevice or crack. So now and then you're gonna want to go up here. Go straight, I guess, and don't. Okay, so you get in, go straight, and then take left. And there's a spider in here. Okay, so when you get in, I would bounce on the wall if you don't have a hook shot on you. And he's zooming, bro. Holy, I'm scared of this guy. Birds making noise everywhere. So when you get in, I think you're gonna take a left. Oh no, don't listen to that. So when you get in, take a right. Yes, take a right, and it should be straight ahead into this crevice. So now you're gonna jump in, so you just swim, and you come back up, and they'll be over here. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do with your book bag, you're gonna want to collect these glowfish stuff. So you're gonna want to collect that with your book bag. That's my flashlight. So collect all of these. Glowfish, whatever you want to call it. Okay. And so you might see this cave once you get in to the right. There's a ton of them in here. Or, yeah. And I think you need like 5 or 6. Like 5 or 6 of these. I'm just gonna get the one, as many as I can fit into my book bag. See, you can like hold it, like put the boat back on that's open and just stick it and drop it in. See? Okay. They just spawned. Okay, my boat is full. Alright, so now what you want to do is, I don't know if this is like the right way, but I think there's like a shortcut. If you go, oh right there, yes. So if you go to the back side of the spawn point, there will be this cave, and it's like the shortcut way, the faster way to get there if I can actually manage to get back up. So right here, so you want to go inside, just swim your way and go in, up, oh, and there he is. So what you're gonna want to do, you can drop your stuff, empty out your book bag with those goop fish, and then just feed them to them, and you'll like need 5 or 6. So just feed them those. See, and then he dropped them all, so you're gonna collect them back, put them in your book. Okay, I thought yeah, he can juggle some stuff too. This might be going for a while. Oh my goodness, it got stuck. Dang! You can eat me? Oh, he ate me again. Don't eat me again, dude. Okay. Alright, so put all this goo in your book bag. And it's kind of the first time I ever really had goo. How do you put it in? Alright, whatever. There you go. You kind of have to stick your hand in the book bag. So collect as many as you can. And see, it's better to have a bigger book bag than a smaller book bag. So I can't really carry these unless, check this out. So you can do this. Look. Oh my goodness. Check out this creation. This is awesome. Just made something. My first ever creation with Goog. I might be a little bit quiet in this video. I haven't really been talking loud. I don't know. Alright, so it's my creation I made. Oh, there's more. Just put some. Let's add some to the sides. Let's add some to my book bag. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of it of the video. That's how you get the goo guy. And thank you for watching. Oh, come on. He ate it. Alright, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, bro, he took my book back. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate it if you do. And that's it of the video.